Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Agnotics. So in this session we will discuss about some 2021 CUET physics question. Let's begin. So here is the first question of this session, that is, when two mutually perpendicular simple harmonic motion of same frequency, amplitude and phase are superimposed, then what happened? And the options are: the resulting motion is uniform circular motion. The resulting motion is a linear ascent along a straight line inclined equally to a straight line of the motion of the components 1. Resulting motion is an elliptical motion symmetrical about the lines of motion of the components, and the option D is the two SHM will cancel each other. And the answer will be: the resulting motion is a linear SHM along a straight line inclined equally to the straight line of the motion of the components 1. Then here is the next question, which is: a particle of mass 100 gram is placed in a field of potential U is equal to 5x square plus 10 ergs per gram. The frequency of oscillation of the particle is, and the options are 0.01 Hz, 0.5 Hz, 0.1 Hz and 0.05 Hz. So here is the solution, that is, the potential energy is given as U equal to 5x square plus 10 ergs per gram, and here the mass is 100 gram. We know that force is equal to minus del U by del X, that is equal to minus 10x. Again we know that F equal to minus kx, that is equal to minus m omega square x, and by solving it we can found that omega is equal to root over of 1 by 10. We know that frequency is equal to f, that is equal to omega by 2 pi. So by putting the value of all, we can found that f will be 0.05 and the answer is 0.05 Hz. Then here is the next question, that is, the Doppler wave for an orange line of krypton is 550 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. If the wavelength of light is 605.8 nanometer, the coherent length will be, and the options are 0.6673 meter, 0.8873 meter, 0 and 605.8 nanometer. So let's see what will be its answer. In the question it has been given that wavelength of the light is 605.8 nanometer and the Doppler width for an orange line of krypton is 550 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. And we know that coherent length is equal to lambda square by del lambda. So by putting the values we can found it as 0.6673 meter. So the answer will be 0.6673 meter. Then here is the next question. The ratio of the two waves that produce interference pattern is 16:1. The ratio of minimum to maximum intensities in fringe system will be, and the options are 16:1, 4:1, 5:3 and 25:9. So let's see what will be its solution. As we know that I1 by I2 is equal to A1 square by A2 square, where I is the amplitude and here I is the intensities and A is the amplitude. So by putting the values we can found that 16 by 1, that is the ratio of intensities, is equal to A1 square by A2 square, and from here we can get that A1 by A2 is equal to 4 by 1. Again we know that I max is equal to A1 plus A2 whole square and I mean is equal to A1 minus A2 whole square. So by putting the value of A1 and A2, we can find it as 25 by 9. So the ratio will be 25:9 and the answer is 25:9. Then here is the next question, which is the thickness of the soap film of refractive index 1.463 that will result in constructive interference in the reflected light, which the film is illuminated normally with a light of free space wavelength 600 nanometer, and the options are 0.1025 micrometer, 0.2050 micrometer, 0.0505 micrometer and 0.4100 micrometer. So here is the solution that we can see it as. In the question it has been given that refractive index mu is equal to 1.463. Again the wavelength is 600 nanometer. So by converting it into meter, we can find it as 600 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Again we know that 2 mu t is equal to n minus 1 by 2 lambda. Here mu is the refractive index, t is the thickness, and here n can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and here lambda is the wavelength. So here we can find it as t equal to n minus 1 by 2 into lambda by 2 mu t, that is 600 into 10 to the power minus 9 by 2 into 1.463. So by solving it, we can find it as n minus half into 2.05 into 10 to the power minus 7. So by putting the value of n is equal to 1, we can find it as t will be 2.05 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, which is equal to 1.025 into 10 to the power minus 7. And because the options are given in micrometer, so by converting it into micrometer, we can find it as 0.1025 micrometer. So the answer will be 0.1025 micrometer. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.